About that. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I got one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Did you get him?
No. Should I try him?
Try. Oh, nice shot. That's you.
Okay, I got that one. Attaboy. Oh, he's a goner, baby. Take him. That was pretty nice. He's coming back in.
They're both coming back. Kill one of them. Wait. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Did he just fall down over here?
Yep. Oh. Oh. Take that one. Double tap. Dude, it works every time. Look at this guy. Oh, oh man. Perfectly executed. Jeez, these ones all just wanted to die.
Backing them up over there.
Should we take them or what?
They're gonna start coming.
Oh man. Alright. You guys ready? Oh, come on.
Look at those on top.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh, if we had a... Yeah. You got the one on the left?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. I think he got that one before I did. I don't know if my barrel can take this. There's another one to your right if you need to throw another one.
They're gonna come in.
Oh. Oh, he's in with the cows.
If I can hit it. Hey, there's one more coming in. Yeah, I'll tell you.
Oh man.
Circling. He's circling.
You got it, Caesar. Clean up
Down.
duty. You dummy. God, it just
If those three come back, I'm gonna lose it.
just doesn't get old, does it? Just coming in on a string, baby. shoot him?
The one on the right is open. Did you get right?
No. Oh, he's wounded. He's gonna go down. Oh, he just dumped down by the tree over here. Holy crap. Triple! That was sick! I got... These two want it. Oh, he's got him. Nice. Smoke him! Oh, baby. Should we wait or take this one? Ah.
You got that one? Hey, that's it.
One dumb one, that's all. That's all it takes is one dumb one. Ah.
Hey, they're coming back, they're coming back.
That one on the left is dove, that's dove, I think. Oh, baby. You got him, right?
You guys got one? You guys got one up here?
Yeah. I didn't realize that other one got so close.
He's coming back.
Jackass! Oh, I guess I can't put that in my video now.
Oh shit, on top, right on top.
It's just too funny. Where did that one drop? Kind of by the bale over there?
Yeah, he's just on the road.
There's a few of them that are on the road, I believe.
I'll go get them.
I think there's at least 3.
I've only used one box of them.
I've used almost 2, but it doesn't help that I have a... Well, I'm also on the end over here. Like, if you want to switch, you can. I feel like I'm getting way more shots than you guys. They just keep swinging on this side.
Kind of like taking my time. Look at that. That's the one thing. A little dig right there.
Dang, how did that happen?
I try to take out the...
Oh, the choke.
It doesn't do anything.
Did you heat it or what?
Yeah, I did, yeah. It doesn't really affect anything. No bands. Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do. They get little colored bands on them. Dead ass. Yeah, come back in. Come on, a little closer, a little closer.
Oh, you got that.
Take the 3. He's not getting
Did
away.
anyone shoot that, or did he just come that low? No,
No, I shot him the first time and then he was winged and then he went low and then I double tapped him. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, sir.
Wow. Hey, they're coming in.
Got him. 2 on top. Don't shoot me. Nice. Oh, Jesus. You're kidding. I just blew that thing's wing in half. Jeez, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh shit.
Behind you, Jonas, behind you.
I didn't even shoot. Oh, got him.
What did it hit?
They hit the fence.
If there was any life left in
Hey, there's some behind us too. They're coming in.
Oh man. Yeah, buddy.
Running.
That's all she wrote for this gun.
Nice.
Oh, the other one's gonna land with it.
No, he can't. How the fuck did we miss that? Hey, he's coming in. He's coming. He wants it back.
That one's not hit, I don't think. Dang, this thing kicks more than my 12 gauge. Gosh. Oh my goodness, dude. That's you. Nice, graceful landing. Yeah, there's two coming. They're way up. Oh shoot, dude.
Did you get that one?
I didn't shoot. I think he got him. I got you. That's all you. If you got ammo? You gotta catch it. Really?
Coming back. He's coming back.
Oh, he just died.
No,
Yep, he dropped.
wait, oh, I see him.
I was gonna say we both hit him. Don't shoot. Oh, there we go. Dang. Throw one of those birds out.
Okay.
I don't want to shoot the cows, so. Damn. He's locked, baby.
Oh.
Oh, come on, you're coming.
Literally winged him.
He's hurt. He's gonna drop. Oh yeah, baby, he's down. Quarter mile away.
Was that a nice one?
Slaughter, baby.
Hey guys, Austin Roller here with Dvorak Motorsports in Bismarck, North Dakota, a proud supporter of Dakota Fins and Feathers Outdoors. You too could have a great CFMOTO product like the ones you see in their videos by visiting us online at dvorakmotorsports.com.